How to add pictures to TikTok videos as background. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up TikTok on device. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom menu. Now on the effects, simply scroll to the left and tap on view all effects. Then simply tap on create. Then tap on create effect. Now at the bottom menu, simply tap on green screen. Now tap on replace. Now select gallery. Now select your photo or any default photo. Then select the photo. Now adjust the image. Then tap on tracking. Now select background. Now once you select it, it will be set as a background. Then tap on next. Again tap on next at the bottom right corner and tap on done at the top right corner. Now enter the effect name. Now tap on submit. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure